Hello and good morning, or not. I'm not sure when you're watching this. I'm gonna take y'all along with me on my day. I was gonna do like a rainy day vlog because I actually do love when it rains. But there's actually light out today, as you can tell. This weather is very on and off. I'm getting ready to go meet up with my friend. We're gonna go try a new coffee shop in town, so I'm excited. I'm fully aware that this lighting slash little angle is just like not the best. I'm filming on my phone because I lost my charger for my camera, and I'm gonna try to find it today. I have not used this camera in a while, or I'm gonna have to order like a new charger if it's just gone. I tried to find it and I can't. How does that happen? It has to be expired or something. Would I still use it? Yes. Like what? Hello? Like not a lot of people do highlighter anymore, but I still love a glowy cheek, a glowy nose, a glowy brow bone. So yeah, I still fuck with highlighter. This is basically like the base of the deck. The back of my hair is bad. I'm now back home. I went thrifting and I'm gonna show you what I got. First things first, my leftover donut. I found these jeans and I really like the wash. I think they'll be like more like a baggier jean, which are cute. You guys already know baggy jeans are in. I got those just for $4, which is really good. There's no brand, but I don't know, maybe Riders is the brand. Then I came across this cute shirt. When I saw it, I thought it'd be like a cute like sleeping shirt. It looks really comfy. It says it's from Old Navy. It was $3, which is a freaking steal, so you know I had to get it. Next, these things are for the kitchen. I got this mason jar and it looks like pretty different. She looks really cute. It's really cute. I like the shape of it, and I like how this lid had a hole so I can make my coffee and my matcha in here. And I believe it was like, I don't know, like $1 or $2. So good stuff. And then I also bought a bowl. This was $2, as you can see. I thought of it being my new yogurt bowl and maybe even make matchas in here.